If you work in AutoCAD and your drawing feels crowded, there's a super simple trick that can help you focus on just the objects you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate objects in AutoCAD so you can hide everything else and work faster and more accurately. This is especially useful when your drawing has a lot of layers, a lot of details, or when you just want to edit one part without getting distracted by the rest. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to zoom in or navigate to the area where the object you want is located. This step is important because you want to make sure you are selecting the exact object or objects you want to keep visible. Now click on the object you want to isolate. If you want to isolate more than one object, hold down Shift or select each one individually, depending on what you're trying to keep on screen. The idea is to select only the elements you want to continue seeing while the rest of the drawing stays out of the way. After selecting the object or objects, right-click anywhere in the drawing area. A shortcut menu will appear, and from that menu, look for the Isolate option. Hover over Isolate, and then click Isolate Objects. As soon as you choose this, AutoCAD will hide all the other objects in the drawing and leave only the selected items visible. This makes it much easier to edit, inspect, or measure the items you're focused on without anything else distracting you. You can now work with your isolated objects clearly on the screen. If you ever need to bring everything back, AutoCAD also gives you the option to end the isolation mode and restore all hidden objects. That means this tool is not permanent, and you can switch back whenever you're ready. So in just a few clicks, you've isolated objects in AutoCAD and simplified your workspace. This is one of those small features that can save a lot of time during drafting and editing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.